When considering a facelift for your kitchen, one question that often arises is, how much does it cost to paint kitchen cabinets Kitchener-Waterloo residents love? Kitchen cabinets are a focal point of your cooking space, and giving them a fresh coat of paint can dramatically transform the look and feel of your room without the hefty price tag of a complete renovation. But why does this question matter so much to homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo? The cost of living, local climate, and unique architectural styles in our region can influence renovation decisions, making it crucial to understand the specifics of such a project. In this post, we'll explore the various factors that affect the cost of painting kitchen cabinets in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. From material choices and labor costs to the potential need for professional help, we'll guide you through the essentials. Whether you're considering a DIY approach or hiring professionals, understanding these elements will help you make an informed decision. Stay tuned as we dive into the details, helping you achieve that dream kitchen look while keeping your budget in check. Understanding the average cost of painting kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. If you're considering refreshing your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo with a new coat of paint, understanding the associated costs is crucial for budgeting and planning. On average, painting kitchen cabinets in this region can range from $3,000 to $6,500 CAD, depending on several factors. These factors include the size of your kitchen, the type of paint used, the complexity of the job, and whether you choose to hire professionals or undertake the task yourself. Professional services often include prep work, such as cleaning and sanding, which can ensure a smoother, more durable finish, but may add to the overall cost. Homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo often face the decision between DIY projects and hiring professional painters. While tackling the job yourself can save money up front, it might not always deliver the professional-grade finish that many desire. Moreover, professionals bring expertise and efficiency, often completing the job in a fraction of the time it might take an inexperienced painter. Additionally, local professionals are familiar with the specific climate conditions of the Kitchener-Waterloo area, which can influence drying times and the type of paint that will hold up best over time. Factors that influence the cost of cabinet painting in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering painting your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, several factors will influence the overall cost. One of the primary considerations is the size of your kitchen and the number of cabinets. Larger kitchens with more cabinets will naturally require more materials and labor, increasing the cost. Additionally, the type of paint and finish you choose can significantly impact your expenses. High-quality paints and finishes may cost more upfront, but they often provide better durability and a more polished look, which can be worth the investment in the long run. The condition of your existing cabinets is another crucial factor. If your cabinets are in good shape, they might just need a light sanding before painting. However, if they have damage or require extensive prep work, such as filling in dents or stripping old paint, the labor costs could rise. The complexity of the cabinet design also plays a role. Intricate designs or hard-to-reach areas may require more time and expertise, potentially increasing the cost. For homeowners in Kitchener-Waterloo, hiring a professional service like Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys can ensure that all these factors are managed efficiently, providing a high-quality finish. How to budget for kitchen cabinet painting in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. When planning to paint your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's essential to consider various factors that can impact the overall cost. Whether you reside in Kitchener, Waterloo, or even nearby Cambridge, understanding these elements will help you create a realistic budget. Typically, the cost of painting kitchen cabinets can vary based on the size of your kitchen, the type of paint and finish you choose, and whether you opt for professional services or a DIY approach. First, assess the scope of your project. A smaller kitchen will naturally cost less than a larger one due to fewer cabinets and less surface area to cover. In Kitchener-Waterloo, homeowners often face the choice between hiring a professional painter or doing the job themselves. While DIY can save money up front, it requires significant time and effort, and the quality may not match that of a professional service. Hiring experts ensures a durable and high-quality finish, but comes with a higher price tag. typically ranging from $100 to $200 per cabinet door. Selecting affordable yet quality painters for kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. Finding the right painting contractor to refresh your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo can significantly impact both the final look and your budget. With a multitude of options available, homeowners need to balance affordability with quality to achieve the best results. The region boasts a diverse array of professionals, from sole proprietors to larger firms, each offering unique advantages. When selecting a painter, consider not only the cost, but also the level of expertise and the quality of materials they use. Local painters with a solid reputation often understand the specific needs of Kitchener-Waterloo homes, including common styles and finishes popular in the area. A reputable painter should provide a detailed quote that includes labor, materials, and any additional costs such as surface preparation or repairs. Ask for references or check online reviews to gauge the satisfaction of previous clients. It's essential to ensure the painter is using high-quality paint that can withstand the daily wear and tear of a kitchen environment, as well as provide a durable finish that looks great. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When planning to paint kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's essential to understand that costs can vary significantly depending on your location. In Kitchener, where many homes date back to the pre-1960s, the cost of painting kitchen cabinets typically ranges from $2,000 to $4,000. The older housing stock often requires additional preparation work, such as dealing with lead paint or outdated plumbing and electrical systems, which can drive costs toward the higher end of the range. In Waterloo, the landscape is different. Most homes are built post-1980, with modern layouts and materials that require less prep work. As a result, painting kitchen cabinets in Waterloo generally costs between $1,800 and $3,500. The well-preserved nature of these homes allows for a more predictable and often faster painting process, leading to competitive pricing. Cambridge, which encompasses the historic cores of Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, presents a unique challenge. Here, many homes are more than a century old, with intricate woodwork and aging infrastructure. Painting kitchen cabinets in Cambridge can cost anywhere from $2,200 to $4,200. The historical nature of these homes often necessitates specialized techniques and materials to maintain their character, which can increase the overall cost. Frequently asked questions. Q. What is the average cost of painting kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. The average cost to paint kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo ranges from $1,500 to $4,000. This price depends on factors such as the size of your kitchen, the quality of paint used, and whether you choose to hire a professional or undertake the project yourself. Hiring a professional can ensure a high-quality finish, but it might increase the overall cost. Q. How long does the cabinet painting process typically take? A. The duration of a kitchen cabinet painting project can vary, but it generally takes between 3 to 5 days to complete. This timeline includes preparation, priming, painting, and drying time. If you're hiring a professional service, they may be able to complete the task more efficiently. However, if you're doing it yourself, it might take longer, especially if you encounter any unforeseen challenges. Q. Can I paint my kitchen cabinets myself, or should I hire a professional? A. While painting kitchen cabinets yourself can save money, it requires time, patience, and some level of skill to achieve a professional-looking finish. Hiring a professional can ensure a high-quality result and typically includes a warranty for their work. If you're confident in your DIY abilities and have the necessary tools, painting your cabinets yourself is a feasible option, though it may take longer to complete. Ready to transform your kitchen cabinets without breaking the bank? The experts at Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys Kitchener-Waterloo are here to help. With our competitive pricing and top-notch service, we ensure your kitchen cabinets get the makeover they deserve. Visit our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for inspiration or book a free estimate today by calling 226-894-0234. Prefer to explore online? Check us out on Google or visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca for more details.